You stay calm now. Don't you move.
No. Huh?
Bring in the laundry. Oh, yeah. Think it's your turn. I got the egg.
Bye-bye.
I guess you need a taller nest. You silly little thing.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh. Dabow. Dabaka-dow.
Okay, that should do it. Try getting out of that. Carrot, are you wearing Lucy's clothes?
Yeah, they're making me feel. Ha! Buddy, we better go.
Oh, you do look responsible. Well, that's one more thing off the list.
Woo!
How's it going?
Great. 2 things off the list.
Yep.
Garden and laundry.
Woo!
And I'll check off collect honey.
Oh, nice. 3.
Oh, Carrot, I see you're wearing some of my clothes.
Yeah.
Looks good on you. You look very responsible.
Thank you.
Nice whistle, Carrot.
The egg.
The egg? Oh, right, the egg. Oh, all right. I wanted to see what kind of bird that egg came from.
It whistled.
Me now.
Let's see. An ostrich egg is the only thing close to that size. We've never seen an ostrich in our forest.
The egg is floating.
Hey,
Lucy.
I guess it could be a large cassowary. I think they live somewhat close to here.
Feed Fluffy. Oh.
Okay, I'll feed Fluffy. The bread will be done any minute, guys.
Okay.
What is this thing?
Dabba-dabba-no.
Oh no! You can't hatch! Not here! Quick, Carrot! Get some Band-Aids! I don't know what's in there, and I really don't want to find out.
Goose, Mikado.
Bread's ready! My heart can't take this!
Oh, no.
I'll get the bread! Hot. Oh, Carrot! One of us should keep an eye on it!
No.
Oh my goodness! Lucy! Help! The egg is hatching!
The egg is hatching? Oh my goodness. I guess we're taking care of a baby bird. Why are there Band-Aids on it?
Well, it was trying to hatch, but we were ready to see what was inside. Are we sure we want to let that thing out?
No.
Of course we are. We can't stop it from hatching.
no.
Oh, well, we could try. There's a few things you missed today.
What has gotten into you two? Oh, here it comes. Did the egg just whistle?
Yeah, it does that.
The egg is floating.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does that too. Oh no.
Oh, my goodness.
Hey parents, download the Bentkey app. New episodes available every Saturday.